Hello friends, it is Joshua, the Geocaching Vlogger, and it is a very chilly January day. So this video is starting indoors, but I promise you that it won't stay indoors. I got some very special mail that I'd like to share with you because what is inside this is very cool and very exciting. Well packaged. First thing is I got a little note here. It says, "Hi Joshua and your amazing patrons and viewers. I really appreciate your order and interest with these custom handcrafted products. I really hope your amazing patrons and viewers enjoy the 3D printed Geocaching Vlogger magnets." So this is a very special package from my friend Julian, who I met last year at Geo Woodstock, and he made for me something amazing, and I loved it so much that I decided to order a bunch of them. Look at that. Not one, but two bags of custom-made 3D printed geocaching vlogger magnets. These are so amazing, so cool that I had to order a bunch of them. Take a look at that. Take a look at the detail of that. It is totally 3D. Of course, there's a nice magnet attached to it. These are so amazing. Look at that amazing craftsmanship. So if you're interested in anything like this, go to gadgetgeo.com. Gadgetgeo.com, and Julian can create maybe something like this for you to put into geocaches or give to people. Not only that, but Julian creates also handmade geocaching containers as well. Look at this, pine cones, pumpkins. You can put these bird geocaches in a tree. You might be asking yourself, first of all, what are you gonna do with these, Josh? Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to give these to my patrons. Anybody that gives $6 or more a month is gonna get one of these magnets. About 6 years ago, I was in Hanover, Germany, and I made a video with my friend Daniel Flieger, and we discovered that a local person in Hanover was creating handcrafted magnets and randomly putting them all over the neighborhood and posting them on social media. So I thought to myself, you know what? That would be a great idea. So I'm going to place a few of these in some places here around the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. On the back of it, I put my @Geocaching Vlogger, and then I wrote post if found. Okay, I'm in my first location. I'm at the Burnsville, heart of the city, near the Ames Center, and I got my Geocaching Vlogger magnet here, and there's a lot of stuff that's magnetic around here, including probably this frog right here. Actually, that is not magnetic. I think that's copper, but let's find something magnetic, and let's put it on social media, and maybe somebody will find it. Let's go. Hey guys, it is Joshua, the Geocaching Vlogger, and look, I have a special thing. It is a 3D printed magnet. And I got a bunch of these, and I thought it'd be fun to hide these all over the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. So right now I am somewhere. You have to figure out where I am. Here, give you a little look around. And I found a picnic table. I'm gonna hide this there. If you find this, please post it on social media. Make sure you tag me. It's right there, right there. Go find it, right around here. All right, I am at Centennial Lakes in Edina, which is a suburb of the Twin Cities, and I'm at a very popular place for ice skating. And I do have another magnet, and there's a lot of excitement here if you can hear it. And I'm near a picnic table, a perfect spot to hide another magnet. Hello friends, it is Joshua, the Geocaching Vlogger, once again, and I'm at a popular place in the Twin Cities, a very popular place for ice skating. You can see behind me, it's a little man-made river where people ice skate. And I have another Geocaching Vlogger magnet here. So, if you're in the area, my challenge is for you to find this. I'm gonna show you exactly where I put it. Can you see it? Come and get it. The ice skaters will be watching you. All right, hidden right down here. All right guys, I'm at the next location, and right behind me is the world's largest raspberry. a significant place that people will know so I can hide this magnet. Let's find an area around this giant, delicious raspberry to hide the magnet. Friends, it is Joshua with the Geocaching Vlogger, and today I am at the world's largest raspberry. Look it up, and I'm hiding these Geocaching Vlogger 3D printed magnets, and I thought it'd be fun to post it here on social media and see if people can find them. So, world's largest raspberry, right there, follow me. Follow me. I'm gonna go right here to this sign, which is magnetic. There it is, friends. Go get it. Good luck. If you find it, post it on social media or post it in the comments. That is it for magnet hiding today. Thank you so much to Julian for sending me those magnets. They're so well done. Make sure you check out his website. And now I'm here at a brewery and I'm gonna go to a geocaching event, and that's how we're gonna end this. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you at the next video.